What's up everybody? Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome back for those of you that already follow me. And if you don't follow me, go ahead and click that subscribe button below and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is at IAmJoeHaro. Once again, it's at IAmJoeHaro. Look to the left. Now, in today's video, I decided to do things a little bit different. I am outdoors in my backyard, as you can see, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a CANTARITO, okay? Basically, it's my favorite drink and I know how to make it the best. At least that's what my friends tell me. So I'm gonna show you guys the steps on how to make it, alright? So take a look. So I get a shot glass, guys, okay? I like to measure everything, that way I don't get too drunk. But if I wanna have a really good time, I'm gonna use 2 shots for my drink. In this case, I'll just do 1. It's gonna be a lighter CANTARITO. So we're gonna get some tequila, okay? I'm gonna open up the bottle. We're gonna pour the shot glass, or pour the tequila in the shot glass, right? There you go. I'm gonna do 2 drinks today. So I'm gonna do 2 shots, 1 in each cup, okay? So you have 1 shot of tequila in each cup, basically, all right? Next, what you wanna do is you wanna cut up a lemon and an orange, okay? So I'm gonna cut up this orange, all right? I like to use half in each drink, okay? Of a lemon and an orange. So I'm gonna cut up 2 lemons and 2 oranges. Or I'm sorry, 1 and 1. So I'm gonna squeeze both lemons if I'm doing 2 drinks in the glasses, okay? You wanna make sure that you get every single drop, guys. All right, so I'm squeezing, right. We got that. And then I'm gonna get the oranges, okay? Squeeze the oranges. For the oranges, I actually like to use half of an orange in each drink. So that's that. So we have half of a lemon in 1 drink, and then the other half in another drink, and then half of the orange in 1 drink, and then half of the orange in another drink, right? Now, you're gonna wanna have some ice, okay? You put the ice in. Oh shit. Hold on, guys. It looks like this ice has been sitting here, so there's a little bit of water in there. So I'm emptying all the water. But basically, you're gonna want to fill your drink with ice to the top, right? So that's what I'm doing. Come on, ice. Okay. So I'm putting all the ice in the drink, right? Fill it up to the top. And then the last step, guys, to do, I'll put this right here, is you're gonna wanna get your squirt out, okay? Load her up. Load her up. Right? So we put the squirt in. And final, you wanna get your chili powder, put this in there. Oh shit. Just dazzle it in there, guys. And then you're gonna stir it, okay? Stir it all together. And we're gonna try it out. Never tried this chili powder, so we'll see how it goes. But now I'm gonna try it out. And it's pretty good. So, this is how you make a quick CANTARITO. Okay, it's super refreshing. I enjoy them like when it's really hot. This is my go-to drink. So tequila, squirt, oranges, lemons, and either some kind of chili powder. In this case, I had this micheladas Baja mix, but I love to use tajin. That's my preference. And any tequila, guys. We have Patron or Casa Torres. That's what we have today. But this is how you make a CANTARITO, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys soon. Thanks.